Hi everyone, it's cocktail time. It's Friday night and I feel like a cocktail. And I'm making a really good one for you. I tried it out on my joy-in-law's birthday and she loved it and so did I. So here we go. I usually use a bartender's kind of glass. I don't know what you call it, because I used to bartend, as I've mentioned before, but I needed something with a lid. So I got my little trusty glass containers. And what I'm going to do is put in 1.5 ounces of vodka. Okay. And 1/2 to 3/4 ounce of Crème de Cacao. This is simple syrup. You could buy it, but it really is simple to make. No pun intended. You take sugar and water and you mix it together, and that's simple syrup. So you take 1/2 ounce of simple syrup and include it in there. And what I have here is espresso coffee. You could make or brew a pot of espresso, or you can use instant espresso, which is what I did, and it worked just fine. So you're supposed to take about 1 ounce of espresso, but if you make let it cool off. You don't want it too hot. And so you take 1 ounce of that, put it in there, and now what we're going to do is shake it up. You got to shake it for at least a minute, because you got to get it mixed really well, and you got to get like a froth on top. La cucaracha. Breather. Now look at that glass. Whoa. Look at that. I got another couple of shakes. I have my strainer. And you could top it off with 2 or 3 coffee beans. You don't have to if you don't have coffee beans. It's quite all right. So let's give it a taste. Nice and chilled. Look at that glass, how chilled it is. Here we go. Ooh, that's quite good. Tastes a little chocolatey from the Crème de Cacao. And my hand is freezing from the frosted glass. But whoo, that's a good one. Let me tell you, that's a goodie. I hope you try it. It really is delicious. And we could take some the foam. There we go. I'm gonna have another sip. Until next time, bon appetit.